Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change your keyboard language on your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. So for this guys, you don't need to download any extra third-party application on your PC. Just follow this easy and simple method. Simply open your Windows settings. To open the Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I. So this is the shortcut key to open your settings like this. Okay, in the Windows settings, from the left panel open time and language like this, and in the right panel go to language and region. So first you need to install the keyboard language on your PC. To install it, just click on add language like this. So it will open the language panel on your screen. As you can see guys, you can get lots of languages. Here you can also able to search the language. So for example, I want to install the Hindi language. Just select it and then click on next. It will ask you to install it. Okay, so I have already installed it on my PC. So after installing, close this. Close your settings. In the taskbar here you can get the option ENG. As you can see, just click on it. From here you need to select the Hindi language. So when you type anything from your keyboard, so it will type on Hindi, as you can see guys. Okay, like this. So this is the very easy and very simple method to change the keyboard language on your Windows 11. So if you want to get back your English language, same, click on that icon from your taskbar, select the English from here. Now it will type the Hindi language from your keyboard, as you can see guys. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.